At VIEZU, we pride ourselves on being vehicle agnostic. We tune cars, bikes, vans, motorhomes, boats, even spacecraft. Take the guy in reception, he's just come in today, hasn't handed me a V5, he's handed me a holocron. It doesn't scan, it's not on the system. We don't really know where to start, but we're going to give it a go.
The customer said the propulsion unit is underwhelming.
Lasers started shooting and What was that?
He kept complaining about the rebel scum getting the jump on him at the lights. I told him we could tweak the torque limiters, but between me and you, I'm more concerned about no seat belts. It's a health and safety hazard.
I've remapped Ferraris, I've remapped boats, I've even remapped a combine harvester once. But this is something else. I've bypassed the thermal exhaust port limiter. Apparently that was a design flaw in some of the older models. If this doesn't win the war now, it's a driver issue, not a software one.
Hi Lord Vader, yes it's Paul from VIEZU, hope you're having a productive day.
That is correct.
Look, I've got some good news. We finished the stage 1 map on the TIE. We've managed to iron out the flat spot on the mid-range. You'll find the pursuit of the rebel fleet much smoother now.
Most impressive.
One thing though, about the invoice, the system doesn't really accept Imperial Credits.
What?
No, I know they're the currency of the galaxy, but my accountant's a real stickler about it.
Perhaps you think you're being treated unfairly.
So yeah, another happy customer. We've opened up a whole new market in the Outer Rim. It's all about networking, isn't it? I've also told him we might be able to do a multi-vehicle discount if he brings the Star Destroyer in, although we might need a bigger dyno for that.